For me, yoga is mindful movement. So moving in a way that enhances our awareness, our sensory awareness of our body, of our ability to move. I think for many of us, yoga, as it's presented in the mainstream media, is very much about form and shape, right? For me, it's much more about function and feeling. So my approach to the practice, I've been teaching yoga since 2006, and I've been teaching chair yoga since 2007, working with people, of various ages and abilities, people who use different mobility aids. My emphasis on the practice is about feeling our way through the practice, exploring our movements, and sensing and learning more about our movements. And it's in this practice where we're not so much concerned about putting or placing our body into this, shape and puzzle piece. So letting that go, that sort of striving, cookie cutter form of yoga, and getting more interested in how we move and how we can still move. And as we practice, what we start to learn about our bodies. Maybe we have certain holding patterns or habits in our movements that might not be serving our goals as well as we would have hoped. So we maybe will learn, okay, there's something we could change here, or if I do it in this way where I just move things a little differently, it feels better. As we move in ways where we're more mindful and aware of ourselves, we can also get a sense of how our body and our mind and our breath, how each of those components of ourselves affects the other. And I like to start each class that I teach in this way where we just take a bit of time to center ourselves and become conscious of the breath and how we feel in this moment before we then start moving.